If your GE front load washer is overfilling with water, leaking, or taking an abnormally long time to start a cycle, the inlet valve could be the culprit. I'm William of AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through the process of testing and replacing it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by getting our tools together. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Be sure to unplug your front load washer or turn off the breaker before you begin, unless live voltage testing is necessary. While the washer is just beginning to overfill, unplug the power cord from the outlet. If water continues to flow into the tub, an inlet valve has failed. To isolate the failed valve, turn off one water supply valve. If the water stops, the inlet valve supplied by that hose has failed. If the water continues, the other inlet valve has failed. If the water stopped immediately when the power cord was unplugged, something else is causing your washer to overfill. Since we found the hot water inlet valve has failed, let me show you how to replace it. Turn off the water supply and disconnect the water supply hoses. Disconnect the wires from the valves. Using your pliers, slide the retainer ring away from the valve and disconnect the feed tube. Remove the screws securing the valve bracket to the frame. Pull the bracket and valves away from the frame. Pull the failed valve out of the bracket. Here's the old hot water inlet valve and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the valve into the bracket and secure the bracket and valve to the frame. Connect the feed tube to the new valve and secure it with a retainer ring. Connect the valve wires and the pressure sensor wires. Reinstall the top panel and secure it to the washer. Reconnect the water supply hoses, plug the power cord back in, and with that, we're done. Well done tackling your GE front load washer repair. We'd love to hear how your project went, so please share your experience in the comments below. If you'd like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you still need a replacement inlet valve, simply grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for choosing us to guide you through the repair, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.